Hey, what's going on, future thinker? Welcome back to YouTube channel AI with Uday. Google I/O 2025 just wrapped up, and it was an absolute AI festival. Seriously, the advancement they have revealed are mind blowing. Today we are going to break down some most of the craziest announcement from Google I/O 2025 that you need to wrap your head around. Get ready for some serious next level tech. If you are excited about the future of AI, then you need to subscribe my YouTube channel. So first up, Project Astra and its integration with Gemini Live. Imagine pointing your smartphone camera to your surrounding and receiving instant contextualized answers and reasoning. This is real-time AI understanding of your world, offering insights and assistance like never before.
That's a pretty nice convertible.
I think you might have mistaken the garbage truck for a convertible. Is there anything else I can help you with?
What's this skinny building doing in my neighborhood?
It's a street light, not a building.
Why are these palm trees so short? I'm worried about them.
They're not short, they're actually pretty tall.
Sick convertible.
Garbage truck again. Anything else?
Why do people keep delivering packages to my lawn?
It's not a package, it's a utility box.
Why is this person following me wherever I walk?
No one's following you. That's just your shadow.
This could revolutionize how we interact with our environment, making our AI devices our truly companions. The next update is Gemini 2.5 itself, the brain behind the breakthroughs. Gemini 2.5 is the most advanced and latest AI model from Google that powers these real-time interaction with our world. This Gemini 2.5 includes Pro Flashlight and most powerful Pro Deep Thinking variants. Gemini 2.5 excels tasks like math, coding, and understanding information across different types of data, such as text, image, and more. It is the engine driving most of the amazing new features, pushing the boundaries of what is possible with AI.
Can you make a bunch of like confetti circles explode out of my mouse?
I've updated the sketch.
Okay, what should we build next?
Okay, here's another 30 ideas for you.
The next is Google Search AI mode. Say goodbye to your endless scrolling through search results. Google Search AI mode, powered by impressive Google Gemini 2.5, provides you with relevant and grounded information synthesized from hundreds of websites. Get concise, summarize, and direct answers and a deeper understanding of complex topics. It's like having a knowledgeable assistant guiding you through the vast information of the web. The next update is Google Agent Mode. Need to find a new apartment? Agent Mode is here to help you. This feature allows you to delegate tasks to Gemini like browsing real estate's apartment websites, filtering options based on your criteria, and presenting you with the most relevant choices. It's like having a dedicated AI assistant for your everyday needs. Imagine the time and efforts that will be saved by using such personalized AI assistants. The next update from Google I/O is Project Marinar. This Project Marinar, Google's advanced agent app, now capable of running an impressive 10 tasks simultaneously. Marinar also features a clever teach and repeat function, allowing it to learn and automate repetitive tasks based on your instruction. Imagine an AI that can manage multiple aspects of your day, learning your routines as it goes. This could be a game changer for productive enthusiasts. The next update is Veo 3. Prepare to be amazed by Veo 3, Google's advanced video generation model. This is not just about creating moving images. Veo 3 generates ultra realistic videos with accurate real world physics.
This town ain't seen nothing yet. Oh.
What's even more incredible is its ability to generate integrated audio, including background sounds, realistic sound effects, and even dialogue that perfectly matches the visuals.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
What manner of magic is that?
But I think the line between AI generated content and real footage is becoming increasingly blurred day by day. The seventh update is Amazon 4. Say hello to Amazon 4, Google's latest image generation model. This iteration rivals the best in the industry, capable of creating incredibly detailed and realistic images simply from your text prompts. Unleash your creativity and watch as your words transform into stunning visuals. Artists and designers, this one is for you. The next is Flow, a groundbreaking new application designed to help users create ultra realistic movies. Flow goes beyond your video generation, assisting with generating the videos themselves, sourcing relevant pictures, and even helping to craft compelling storylines. Imagine having an AI powered movie studio at your fingertips. This flow democratizes filmmaking, making it accessible for everyone. The next is Liria. Demonstrated by the talented Sankar Mahadevan, Liria 2 is Google's advanced music generation model. This tool empowers music composers to explore new creative venues by using AI to generate musical ideas, harmonies, and even entire composition. Get ready for a new era of AI assisted music generation. I will say to all the musicians that your new collaborator has arrived. Next is Agentic Checkout. Say goodbye to missed price drops of a item that you had in your wish list. Agentic Checkout is a smart new feature that notifies you when clothing items you are interested in go on sale. But it doesn't stop there. It can also automatically complete the purchases for you, including selecting your preferred size and handling the payment process. I would say shopping just become more convenient and smarter. Next update is Google Virtual Try On. Imagine you have ordered something online and after it delivers, you think this is not fitting well on you. So here is the master stroke from Google. Google is introducing a fantastic new shopping feature that allows you to virtually try on clothes. Simply upload a full body image and the AI will superimpose the garment onto your picture, giving you a realistic idea of how it will look on you. In my opinion, this takes online shopping to a next level. And the 12th update is Google Beam. In collaboration with HP, Google has developed Google Beam, a revolutionary technology for online meeting. Beam creates a high fidelity 3D representation of the person you are talking to, making virtual interaction feel significantly more present and engaging. It is like having the person right there with you, bridging the gap between virtual and real. The 13th update from Google I/O 2025 is Stitch. It's an incredibly powerful AI tool that can create code and designs for entire apps from scratch. Simply provide a text prompt describing your idea, and Stitch can generate the necessary codes and design elements, taking you from the concept to a deployed application. As a developer, I will say now my whole workflow will be speed up significantly. 14th update from the Google I/O is about Jules. It's an coding agent and also Google's answer to Microsoft's GitHub Copilot. This AI powered assistant can create entire databases and help users build applications simply by describing what they want in text prompts. It's like having an expert AI programmer by your side. 15th update is Google's Meet live translation. Collaboration across languages just got a whole lot easier with Google Meet live translation. This feature translates spoken language in real time during our Google Meets call, ensuring everyone can understand each other clearly no matter where they are in the world. It breaks the language barrier.
Let me turn on speech translation. It's nice to finally talk to you.
Es bueno hablarte finalmente. No puedo esperar a alquilar tu casa.
Te vas a divertir mucho y creo que te va a encantar. You're going to have a lot of fun and I think you're going to love visiting the city. The house is in a very nice neighborhood and overlooks the mountains.
That sounds wonderful.
To power all these incredible AI services and tools, Google is offering various subscription plans. For those who need the ultimate in AI capabilities, the Google AI Ultra plan is priced at $250 per month, offering premium access to their most advanced models and features. Be sure to check out the different tiers to find the plan that best suits your needs. So before ending this video, let's do a recap of announcement from Google I/O 2025. So first we spoke about Project Astra and its integration with Gemini Live, then Gemini 2.5 model family, then Google AI search mode, then fourth Gemini agent mode, the fifth Project Marinar, then Veo 3 and Amazon 4, Flow, Liria, Agentic Checkout, Virtual Try-On, Google Beam, Stitch, Jules Coding Agent, Google Meet Live Translation. Each of these innovations is set to redefine our interaction with technology. So there you have it, a deep dive into the truly mind-blowing AI announcement from Google I/O 2025 with Project Astra leading the charge. Thank you.